This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. In this video, we're talking about single action airbrush guns. This one specifically is a gravity feed, meaning that the paint is up here above and it's using gravity to pull it down into the gun. And you can see there's the little fixture down here at the bottom for attaching the hose for your compressor. And it's a very simple mechanism in that it's just a single trigger. You pull back, paint comes out, right? So that makes the paint come down and also the air from the compressor start blowing through, and it'll atomize that paint and blow it out into a nice, fine, large spray. So these single action guns don't give you the same detail and finesse that you'll get from a double action because you can't really control the amount of paint you're getting precisely. It's great for large surface areas with a single color. So we typically use these on cakes when we're doing something like airbrushing an entire cake a metallic color like gold, silver, or pearl, or if we're doing an ombre fade and we want a nice smooth transition because we can start light up at the top or down at the bottom and work on successive layers of that color. So they're really nice and they're a good investment if you're looking to get into airbrushing, specifically if you're worried about the extra skill it takes to use a double action and you only want to do simple projects with large areas of color. These can be a great investment, and this is actually the one that we use the most. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingSchool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.